Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners, I am Farzana Yasmine. Today we are going to learn the use of am, is, are. Especially we will do some exercises using these three words am, is, are. Let's get started. The first one is write the short form. We will learn the short form of she is, I am, they are, we are. Let's see. The first one is she is, they are, and then it is not. How can we write down? Let's see. The first one is she is, it will be she is. They are, it will be there. It is not, you can write down two different ways. It's not, you can say it's not, or you can say it isn't. It isn't. Okay, so she is, they are, there, it is not, it's not, or it isn't. Let's see the another. Okay, this one is that is. How can you write down that is? It will be that's. That's. That is will be that's. Next one. I am not. What will be the answer? I am not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. Let's see the last one here. You are not. What will be the answer? You are not. You can write down two different ways. You aren't or you're not. Let's see. You aren't. You aren't, or you can write down you are, you aren't. You aren't, or you are not. You aren't, you were not. So you are not, you can write down two different words. Let's repeat. That is, that's, I'm not, you are not, you aren't, or you are not. Let's see the next exercise. Now, I will show you some sentences and you have to write down am, is, or are. Let's see. The first one is the weather, I, this bag, and then these bags. Let's see what can be the answer. The weather is, right? The weather is. Weather is uncountable noun. Especially after uncountable noun, in present situation we will use is. Next one, I. It's a present one, right? I am not rich. I am not rich. The third one, this bag is, right? This bag is, it's a bag is countable one, and this is only one bag, so that's why this bag is heavy and this bag is heavy. But the last one, you see these bags. These bags means the plural ideas, right? So these bags are heavy. These bags are heavy. Okay. So let's repeat. The weather is nice today. I am not rich. This bag is heavy. These bags are heavy. Let's see the next examples. Okay. So the first one I cannot see here, no problem. We can do my brother and my brother my brother and I dash good tennis players. It will be my brother and I are, right? My brother and I are good tennis players. There are two persons, more than one, my brother and I. So that's why plural are, good tennis players. Then Emily is at home, right? Emily is at home. Emily is one person here. Emily is at home. Her children are at school. Her children are at school. And I am a taxi driver. After I generally am, I'm a taxi driver. And you see her children, this is the plural form, so that's why are. If it is her child, that would be is. So here is children, so that's why are. Her children are at school. Now the first one, look, there is Ruma. Look, there is Ruma. Look, there is Ruma. Right? It will be is Ruma. Let's see the next one. Okay, my sister. The last one here is my sister. My sister is a doctor, right? My sister is a doctor. So let's repeat the sentences. Look, there is Roma. My brother and look, there is Roma. My brother and I are good tennis players. Emily is at home. Her children are at school. I am a taxi driver. My sister is a doctor. Let's see the next. Hello dear learners, now write sentences for the picture. There you will see the picture, and following the picture you have to make a sentence using am is are. একটা ছবি দেখে বলতে হবে ছবিতে কোন সেন্টেন্সটি লেখা যায়. Let's see. Yes, can you guess? Just try to understand, and I am showing you the answer. Actually the answer will be they are cold, right? So they are cold, you see after they here is written are. They are cold. It's a full form. You can write down the short way. They're cold, right? They're cold. That means they have caught cold, so that's why they are cold. Let's see the next one. Let's see the picture. Yes, there is a very nice little girl, and she is drinking water, right? So that means it can be the answer. She's thirsty, right? So she is thirsty. So you can write down she is thirsty. Here is written the short form she's. So she is thirsty. So now you just let's see the next one. Okay, let's see the picture. Yes, can you guess? Yes, this man is very scared, right? So you can write down what will be the answer. He's scared. That means he is scared. So you can write down here. He is full form. He's scared. He is scared. Now let's see the next. Now let's see the picture. Yes, can you guess? Yes, right. The girl is very hungry, right? So she is hungry, right? So here is written she is hungry. She is hungry. Okay, let's jump into another exercise. Now write sentences about yourself using am, is, are. Yes. Okay. So students, the first one, name. That means what's your name? What's your name? If the question is what's your name, so my name is. So after that you have to write down your name. My name is, suppose my name is Farzana, right? So you will write down your name. My name is Shima, Jane, Kate, or whatever the name is. Now the second one, you see age. That means what is your age? So it will be I am, and you will write down your age here. It could be 26, 35, 5 years old, whatever your old is. So I am, for example, I am 27 years old, like this. This can be 27, 35, 5 years old, whatever your old is. So after I, we have to use am, and after my name is, we have to use is. So my name is, for example, here Farzana. Right. Now where are you from? If the question is where are you from, so the answer will be I am, right? I am from Bangladesh. So as I am from Bangladesh, I am writing my country name. If you are from Canada, England, or America, you will say I am from America, I am from Canada, I am from Brazil, I am from India, like this. So after I, you see am. So whenever you will introduce yourself to anyone, so you can use these sentences. My name is, your age, about where are you from. Now let's see the next one. So now see the first one here in this slide, job. So we have talked about name, age, and where are you from, right? Your country's name. Now the job. If the question is what is your job, for example, what is my job, right? I'm an English teacher, right? So I can write down here I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher, right? So after I, it could be after I, obviously you have to use I am a teacher, because you are talking about present tense. I am a teacher. It could be I am a doctor, I am a student, I am a banker, I am a pilot, I am an engineer, I am a nurse. You can write down your profession. Now let's see the next one. What is your favorite color, or what are your favorite colors? In that what you can write down here, right? So you can write down as my favorite color is only one, so I can write down my favorite color. You see, color is, my favorite color is white. My favorite color is white. So if it is my favorite color is, as it is only one color of mine favorite, so my favorite color is white. But if your here is colors also, so if your favorite color more than one, so you can write down my favorite colors. See, my favorite colors are, right? It will be my favorite colors are, right? Are, as it is plural. For example, my favorite colors are red and black, red and black. So in that way you can write down. Now let's see the next slide. Okay, interested in. What will be the questions? That means what are you interested in? That means what do you like to do? What do you like to do in your leisure time? Okay, what is your favorite hobby, but what is it? So in that case, what I have to write down? So I am, right? I am, or I am writing here short form. I'm interested in, for example, I am interested in reading books. So reading books. So it could be different for you, right? So you can be interested in other activities, such as I'm interested in plants, I'm interested in cycling, I'm interested in swimming, I'm interested in drawing, like this. So the main thing is I am. So in this way you can practice to talk about yourself. Let's see the next one. Okay, now complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Let's see the sentences. The first one, these chairs are not beautiful, but what will be the answer? These chairs aren't beautiful. These chairs, you see these chairs, these are plural ones, so that's why aren't beautiful. But yes, the answer will be but they're, that means they are comfortable. They are comfortable. I have written here in short form, they're comfortable. So these chairs aren't beautiful, but they are comfortable. Let's see the next one. Dash late. No, I'm not. I'm early. Dash late. So you're late. That means we can write down here, you are late, right? So I'm writing here short form. You're late. No, I'm not. I'm early. So you are late, right? You are late. Let's see the next one. Sheila isn't at home. Sheila isn't at home. Sheila isn't at home. So Sheila is only one person, third person singular number. Sheila isn't at home. That means is not at home. That means she's at work, or she is at work. She is at work. Sheila isn't at home. She is at work. Now let's see the next slide. Okay, write true sentences, positive or negative. So in here I have written there is no verb here. You have to use am, is, are properly, and then you have to make a positive or negative sentences. If it windy today, so if it is windy today, so you can write down it is windy today. What you can write down here? I am writing here it's windy. That means I am writing short form. It's windy today. That means it is windy today. Or if it is not windy, so in that case you can write down it isn't, or it is not. It isn't windy today. Or you can write down it is a full form. It is not windy today. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, Toronto in the US. Is it Toronto in the US? Okay, write in full sentence. How can you write down here? Actually, Toronto is in Canada, right? So we will write down here Toronto is not in the US. Toronto is not in the US. Let's see the next one. Okay, here is written diamonds / cheap. So actually diamonds are not cheap, right? That will be the sense. Diamonds are not the you can write down diamonds are not cheap. Diamonds are not cheap, as diamonds are plural, so diamonds are. So learners, here you see two phrases, my hands are cold or Brazil or a big country. What we have to write down, right? So you have to make true sentences. That means it could be positive or negative. The first one, my hands, as is my hands, it can be are cold or aren't cold. That means are cold or are not cold. And the second one, Brazil, a very big country. Yes, right. It will be Brazil is, right? Only one country. Brazil is a very big country. Very big country. And you know the Brazil actually is a very big country because it's 8.5 million square kilometer. It's 8.5 million square kilometers. So Brazil is a very big country. So okay, dear learners, I hope you have liked today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you everyone.